In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Powerbeats Fit in case only one of the two earbuds is actually working and the other one is not. This can happen because of so many reasons, so I'll show you different tips on how to solve this. First thing I suggest is to do a reset. So you're gonna put them both in the case they came with. You're gonna go on your iPhone or Android, PC or Mac, and you're gonna completely remove them from there. So let me see, they're over here, Powerbeats Fit. You're gonna click the eye icon, go all the way down this menu, and you're gonna select forget this device. Forget device. Forget device again, and they will be removed from your iPhone and from your iCloud. Now go ahead and keep press this button that is inside of the case during about 10 seconds until the light on the front flashes red. This will signify that the reset has been completed. So just stay like this. Okay, I'm keeping that button pushed. Okay, the light flashed red. I can release my finger from the button. And right now, since they're factory reset, they will also be in pairing mode because the light over here is flashing white. So simply take back your phone and connect them again together. Fortunately, it was just a software problem and everything will work as it should. Now, if you're still having issues, what I suggest is that you check the microphones of the earbud that is not working properly. So let's say this one didn't work. You're going to inspect those, you see, over here, over there, and there. There's 3 of them. So these are the mics, and over time you're going to get some dust, you're going to get some debris, stuff that will get stuck. And if the mics are covered, they will not, the earbud will not work as it should. So take a toothbrush, anything very thin and gentle, and rub to clean all the mic ports. After doing this, try again. Unfortunately, the issue will be resolved. If you have any other tips on how to solve this issue, please leave a comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read it, and I will maybe even make a future video about it. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.